And the flat washer's purpose in life is to help hold the piece in. And as you can see, we have good metal. So that means everything will tighten up nicely. One down. Two down. That one's a little harder to get to because of the angle. So you have to put a lot of downward pressure on the screw. And I'm going to have to get something else to make this work.